Hello, social media friends. I'm Viridiana Marquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Danny Barrera has the story.
The Criminal Justice Advisory Council held their annual meeting on Monday, March 27th, hosted by UT Permian Basin. The leadership of the Permian Basin and West Texas law enforcement community, including Texas DPS, Texas Rangers, Ector County ISD, UTPB Police, and Texas Correction Facilities and Prison Systems were invited to the meeting.
We have people from the governor's office, we have people from the attorney general's office, all come in here and we talk about the issues that are facing criminal justice in Texas. We start the program with discussing what we do here at UTPB and the programs, our numbers, and then we move into how we can better serve our community being the criminal justice practitioners throughout the Permian Basin and West Texas.
The purpose of the annual meeting is for local law enforcement to talk about issues that are affecting them and brainstorm ideas to find solution to those issues so that criminal justice students at UTPB have a better understanding during their studies.
We'll start with talking about our programs here, and then we open it up to the floor for the practitioners to talk about the problems they're facing and how we can create a better student and a better employee for them, and then we brainstorm the issues and try to figure out ways to address those issues.
Several issues discussed that are affecting local law enforcement are keeping officers and personnel, border problems, and the increase of drug trafficking.
We are getting closer to being fully staffed, yet we're about maybe 10 short on patrol and investigations. But due to the fact that we've been short and we've been hiring, our experience level on the street has diminished quite a bit. And we estimate that our average experience on the street is 3 to 4 years. With the ever-changing world and the grand scheme of things, that's not a lot of experience. We do have some good deputies and good officers out there, but you can't make up for good experience in our industry. One of the major concerns right now is the fentanyl issue. Fentanyl, in my distinct opinion, is the most dangerous threat we've had come across into our country ever. And there's such a minute amount of that stuff that can kill you. In perspective, a sweet and low pack is 1 gram, and 2 milligrams of fentanyl is considered fatal.
The new high-tech training facility at the Odessa Police Department has helped OPD with acquiring new recruits and continued training of veteran officers. The Odessa Police Training Facility has attracted officers from around the country for their continued law enforcement education and training.
When you look at the facility that we built and the training we've already hosted there, we've had people from as far away as Michigan and Ohio and Florida and California come to the trainings we've hosted there. So yeah, anytime we can bring good, high-quality training to the Permian Basin, it's a win for all the law enforcement agencies here.
Dr. John Fisher, Assistant Professor of Criminal Justice at UT Permian Basin, suggested that a law enforcement officer with a degree will help with advancement within the law enforcement agency. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Danny Barrera.
Thank you for following us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and our website, drbmediacommunicationsdigitalnews.tv. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Viridiana Marquez.